Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some nostalgic touch vintage interior decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Nostalgic touch vintage interior decor is less about making a room look genuinely old and more about creating a warm, sentimental atmosphere that reminds you of another era. Let's some decorating tips. Choose furniture with character. Look for wooden cabinets, spindle-back chairs, vintage-style side tables, hutches, and dressers with traditional details. Next, create a warm color palette. Combine cream, ivory, muted shades, dusty blue, soft brown, faded rose, and warm mustard, rather than using very bright colors. Add floral patterns. Small floral prints on curtains, cushions, tablecloths, or wallpaper can instantly create a nostalgic cottage feeling. Use vintage-style lighting, table lamps with fabric shades, traditional pendant lights, or warm ambient lighting to make the room feel cozy. Decorate with old walled accessories. Use ceramic pictures, porcelain plates, brass accents, vintage clocks, framed botanical artwork, open baskets, and old books work beautifully. Bring in handmade details like crochet blankets, embroidered cushions, knitted throws, lace, aids, textiles, and handmade pottery can make the space feel more personal. Create a memory corner, display framed family photographs, treasured objects, postcards, or meaningful keepsakes on a small shelf or console. Mix old and new. You don't need every item to be antique. Pair vintage-inspired pieces with modern essentials so the room remains comfortable and practical. Use layered textures. Combine oud, cotton, linen, wicker, ceramic, glass, and soft textiles to create depth without making the room feel overly decorated. Don't make everything perfectly. Coordinating a little variety is part of the charm. Different furniture styles, patterns, and accessories can make the room feel collected gradually over time. The secret to the style: the best nostalgic vintage interiors were lived in rather than staged. A few meaningful objects, warm lighting, traditional patterns, and natural materials can create that comforting home filled with memories feeling. Nostalgic touch vintage interior decor is an interior style that brings the warmth and charm of the past into a home. It combines vintage furniture, antique-looking accessories, soft colors, traditional patterns, and sentimental objects to create a cozy, lived-in atmosphere. Next, key features. Use vintage furniture like wooden cabinets, old-style dressers, antique tables, rocking chairs, and classic cupboards. Use soft and nostalgic colors like cream, warm beige, dusty blue, shades green, muted pink, and warm brown. Uses classical fabrics like floral curtains, embroidered cushions, lace details, crochet pieces, and vintage-inspired coils. Use antique accessories like old clocks, ceramic dishes, brass objects, framed botanical prints, and vintage mirrors and old-style lamps. Memories on display. Use family photographs, inherited pictures, handwritten notes, old books, or treasured collectibles can make the room feel personal. Use natural materials like oud, cotton, linen, wicker, rattan, and ceramic. Help create an authentic vintage feeling. Layered styling. Instead of everything looking perfectly matched, Combine different textures and older looking pieces for a relaxed, collected over time appearance. The overall feeling: think a cozy home filled with memories, heirloom furniture, floral fabrics, old books, handmade details, and pieces that seems to tell a story. Here are some more ways to develop nostalgic touch vintage interior decor into beautiful cohesive home style. Create a soft vintage foundation. Start with warm neutrals such as ivory, cream, beige, muted shades, dusty blue, and soft brown. These colors provide a gentle background for vintage furniture and accessories. Layer small floral prints. Instead of using floral patterns everywhere, spread them around the room. Use floral cushions on the sofa. A small print contains floral table genre, botanical artwork, windows, and a spat bedding. This creates continuity without becoming overwhelming. Choose furniture with traditional details. Look for pieces with turned or spindle legs, curved wooden details, paneled cabinet doors, rounded edged glass front cupboards, or naturally edged finishes. These details help give an even newer furniture a vintage character. Style open shelves like a memory display. Open shelves are perfect for nostalgic decorating. Add in ceramic plates, teacups, small pictures, old books, glass jars, and little framed pictures. Don't fill every inch. Leaving some empty space makes the display look more relaxed. Make textiles a major furniture. Windows interiors become much warmer when you layer textiles. Consider crochet blankets, quilted throws, embroidered cushions, linen tablecloth, lace accents, and cotton curtains. Use vintage mirror. An ornate wooden or antique style mirror can become a focal point in an entryway, bedroom, or living room. Pair it with a small table, vase, and framed artwork. Add on a two-story pieces. You don't need dozens of antique objects. A single old-looking clock, inherited cabinet, traditional sewing machine, vintage trunk, or a special ceramic pit can give the room a stronger sense of history. Bring nature indoors. Use flowers, herbs, dried foliage, oven baskets, wooden objects, and botanical artwork. These elements work especially well with cottage and English country inspired vintage decor. Give the dining area a vintage character. Try wooden dining table with mismatched traditional chairs, a simple floral genre, ceramic dinnerware, and a small centerpiece of flowers. Don't forget the entryway, a small console, vintage mirrors, oven baskets, framed artwork, and a table lamp can turn an ordinary entrance into a welcoming, nostalgic corner. Keep modern comforts hidden in the styling. You can still have modern appliances, electronics, and practical storage. The trick is to surround them with traditional materials and decorative details so the overall room remains cohesive. The strongest nostalgic interiors are not necessarily expensive. Use handmade crochet pieces, favorite books, inherited dishes, and objects connected to happy memories can make the space feel much more meaningful. The ultimate goal: create a home that feels warm, familiar, connected, comfortable, and full of memories rather than simply making everything look old. More nostalgic vintage decorating ideas. Create a vintage focal point. Choose on standout piece, such as a wooden hut, antique style cabinet, vintage mirror, or traditional fireplace mantle, and build the surrounding decor around it. Use patina thoughtfully. A slightly aged finish on old brass, ceramic, or painted furniture can provide character. You don't need every item to look distressed. A few aged pieces are enough. Try vintage style kitchen displays. Display ceramic plates, floral teacups, glass jars, wooden cutting boards, oven baskets, and traditional serving pieces on open shelves or inside a glass front cabinet. Decorate with small collections. Group of similar objects often look more intentional than scattered accessories. For example, collect several small ceramic vases or botanical prints and arrange them together. Use curtains to establish the mood. Cotton curtains with tiny florals, checks, stripes, or subtle lace details can instantly make a room feel softer and more traditional. Mix patterns carefully. You can combine floral with gingham, stripes, checks, or subtle botanical patterns. Keep some connection between the patterns through similar colors. Add a cozy reading corner, a comfortable traditional chair, a small wooden side table, floor lamp, soft throw, and a basket of books can create a charming nostalgic corner. Style the bedroom gently. Try an upholstered or wooden bed, floral or quilted bedding, embroidered cushions, a small bedside table, and a warm table lamp. Use vintage artwork, botanical illustrations, countryside landscapes, still life paintings, traditional portraits, and old-fashioned typography can give walls a timeless appearance. Incorporate handmade decor like crochet, embroidery, quilting, pottery, oven baskets, and handmade wooden pieces add authenticity and warmth. Keep technology visually subtle. Modern necessities don't have to disappear. Simply avoid making them the visual focus. Surround them with traditional furniture, textiles, plants, and accessories. Leave some breathing room. Nostalgic decor can easily become cluttered. Give special objects enough space to be noticed, and balance decorated areas with simpler ones. Create different memory zones instead of decorating the entire home identically. Give each area its own nostalgic character. First, living room. Use vintage books, floral cushions, and wooden furniture. Next, kitchen. Use ceramic dishes, open shelves, and oven baskets. For bedroom, use quilting bedding, soft curtains, antique style bedside table. Next, entryway. Use vintage mirror, console table, and framed artwork. Combine different wood tones. Don't worry about making every wooden piece identical. A mixture of light, medium, and darker wood can create the appearance of furniture collected over time. Make storage decorative. Use attractive storage as part of the design. Use wicker baskets, wooden crates, vintage trunks, glass jars, traditional cupboards, fabric storage boxes. This is especially useful in a small cottage-style home. Create a vintage hut display. A hut can become one of the most recognizable features of the style. Arrange ceramic plates, teacups, bowls, pitchers, small vases, and vintage-style glassware inside it. Mix useful kitchenware with decorative pieces, so the display does not feel like a showroom. Use flowers as a repeating detail. Repeat floral elements subtly throughout the home. For example, use floral curtains in one room, botanical artwork in another, and a small floral cushion elsewhere. This creates a connection between spaces. Try an old gallery wall. Combine botanical prints, small paintings, decorative plates, vintage-style mirrors, and wooden frames. Different shapes and sizes can make the arrangement feel naturally collected. Give corners their own personality. A small empty corner can become a charming feature with a wooden chair, floor lamp, a small table, plant, and a basket. You don't need large furniture to create atmosphere. Avoid making everything look perfect. One of the biggest secrets of nostalgic decor is imperfection. Slightly mismatched chairs, an old-looking frame, a handmade cushion, or a well-loved decor piece can make the home feel much more genuine. The main principle: don't worry to make your home look old. Make it feel meaningful. A successful nostalgic vintage interior combines vintage character, comfortable furniture, soft patterns, handmade details, natural materials, and personal memories. That is how it gives the style its warm, timeless charm. You don't need an entirely vintage home. A modern sofa can work beautifully with a vintage wooden coffee table, antique style lamp, floral cushion, and traditional artwork. The magic is in the contrast. Modern comfort provides practicality while vintage details provide personality. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.